going to be doing a 4th grade lesson on problem structures and representing relationships. Okay, so today we're going to learn about problem. Okay, over. Okay, today my name is Sunny Hempkin. I'm going to be teaching a lesson over problems. I messed up again. My name is Sunny Hempkin. I'm going to be teaching a lesson over problem structure and representing relationships. It is a 4th grade lesson. Okay, so today we're going to go over 4 different types of charts that you can use for word problems. Okay. The first chart is the join chart. You'd use this in addition. So you'd say like John has 7 trucks. He bought 2, and the result would be how many he has. Okay, we have the separate chart, which is subtraction. So Cindy has 5 toys, she gave 2 away, and then you get your result. Part whole is in a group setting. So if you went to grandma's house and you wanted all the grandmas had 10 purses, and you wanted to find out who didn't have a purse, that would be you put your whole there, and then you have your 2 parts. Okay. And then the 4th chart is comparing. You could do this as like Julie has 5 cookies, Marissa has 5 more than Julie, but Janie has 2 less. How many cookies would Janie have? And you put them in the different parts. Okay. But today we're only going to go over the join and separate. Or no, join and part whole. Stuck. Uh-oh. Okay, so the first problem is that we're going to go over it together. Cindy had a collection of 35 baseball cards. Cody gave her some more. Now Cindy has 120 baseball cards. How many cards did Cody give her? Okay. So how many cards does Cindy have? She had 35. Cody gave her some more. Now Cindy has 120 baseball cards. And I'm going to give you this chart. Okay. And here's a pencil. I'm going to scoot this over. Okay. So she has 35 baseball cards. Where do you think that would go? Start. Okay, and what are we looking for?
We want to know how many Cody gave her.
Okay, so
what? So our change, we don't know.
We don't know that. That's a question mark.
Okay.
Okay, and what do you think the result is? It's the 120.
The 120.
Okay. So what if we could put this in an algebraic equation? We could say Cindy had 35 baseball cards plus, we don't know, so we're going to put a question mark there, and we have 120 all together, correct? So how could we, what would we do to find how many baseball cards she had?
We could subtract the 35 from the 120.
Yeah, we could subtract the 120 from the 35. 120 from the 35.
The 35 from the 120? Okay.
So, can you do that for me?
Yes. 5 take a group of 10, that becomes 10. That's 5, that becomes 0 to the group of those, and that is 8.
So how many did she have?
Cody gave her 85.
Cody gave her 85. But let's check that.
Our change would be 85?
Yes, our change would be 85.
Okay.
So we say, let's check it. So 35 plus 85. Do you want to add that together for me?
85 plus 35, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's right. Okay, so that is the part, or the join chart.
Yay.
Yay. So let's do the part whole. Check's right there. Okay. So let's go over the question. There are 10 students in kindergarten. 3 are boys. How many girls are there in kindergarten? So we have how many students?
10.
10 students. And how many are in kindergarten? 10 students in kindergarten. How many are boys?
3.
3 are boys. And how many girls are there in kindergarten? So what we're looking for is how many girls. Okay, so the whole, what would the whole be?
The whole classroom of students, so 10.
10 students. Okay, and so how many, we have 3 boys, correct?
Yes.
So that would be in one part. So let's put this, and we're looking for how many girls, correct?
Yes.
So that's
I'm
our
going to
question
put a
mark.
question, and I'm going to put girls.
Girls, good
And I'm going
job.
to put boys. And I'm going to put class.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to put this in an algebraic form. We're going to say 10 minus 3, and what we're looking for is how many girls. So can you do that for me? The 10 minus 3?
10 minus 3. That becomes 0. Regroup. And that is 7.
7. So how many do we have? 7.
7 girls.
7 girls. And how can we check this?
We can add the 2 parts because the 2 parts have to make up the whole.
Good job. So let's do 7 plus 3. And how many is that?
7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Okay, so we learned how to,
I learned how to use these charts for word problems.
for word problems. And what charts did we learn?
Well, we talked about the join, the separate, the part, whole, and the compare, but
We only
we
worked
only
with.
used with join and part, whole.
Good job. Thank you.